All right, everybody, welcome back to Bummer's Instant Pot. Tonight, we got some chicken legs and some barbecue sauce, cup of chicken broth, and some chicken rub. We're gonna make us some quick, simple, and easy barbecue chicken legs. First thing we're gonna do, this is just called rub some chicken. We're gonna get this on the chicken beforehand, a little extra seasoning on it. Do that. Let me grab my gloves so we can get this stirred around in here. All right, chicken's still just a little bit frozen, not too bad, but I went ahead and pulled the skin off of it. Usually if I have skin, I want it to be a good crispy skin. You can leave it on if you want, but I decided not to. So let's put a little bit more of a rub on here. Let those sit to the side here. We'll get ready to start getting this in there. Alrighty, first thing we want to do, go ahead and get the trivet put down here in the bottom of it. Keep the handles out to the side. Go ahead and take our 1 cup of chicken broth, put in the bottom. Let me get something to grab the chicken with real quick. Alrighty, let's start getting this chicken in here. Get it laid in here the best we can. Try to keep it from laying on top of each other. So, arrange these pretty good if we can. Alrighty, got those done. Now basically last thing we do before we get started, put a little barbecue sauce on it. I'm going to use the Dickey's Pit Barbecue, sweet barbecue sauce on these. Put it on to your desire, how much you want. Unfortunately I couldn't spread them all out, so they are covered up some. Chicken on top of chicken. So, but we'll also be adding a little more sauce to these after they're done cooking while they're still cooling down. That should be good. Let's get ready to get the top on this, get it started. All right, well, it's ready to go. Let's get the top put on it. There we go. Make sure everything's in the sealing position, locked up. Since these are still frozen, I'm gonna go ahead and go for 19 minutes on these tonight. I'm gonna pressure cook, set it on high. We're gonna let them go for 19 minutes, turn on start, let it get going, let the temperature inside and the steam get pressurized. Once it's done with its 18 or 19 minutes, we're gonna let it naturally release for 15, and then we'll finish doing it the rest of the steam with a quick release if there's any left in it. So we'll be back once it's ready. All right, everybody. It's now up to naturally releasing at 16 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the keep warm button off. Or just cancel it. Now we're gonna go ahead and release the rest of the pressure that's in here. Shouldn't be too much. So we'll be back when this is done. All right, pressure's done. Little knob drop down. Let's pull this off of here. Chicken's looking good. Let me get this over to the sink. All right, let's begin pulling these out of here. They sure do look cooked. About to fall apart, I think. I can get them on a plate here. Oh yeah, these are falling apart big time. That's what we're looking for. Let's try to grab them by the bone here. If I can grab them. Where to put them all at? A small piece of chicken still left in there, but that's all right. Let's go and get a little barbecue sauce put on these here while they cooling down. Got a little bit more of the Dickey's barbecue sauce here. We're just gonna coat these down real good. Let the barbecue sauce finish out on them before we get ready to start eating them while they're cooling down, because these are super hot. Alrighty, those looking good. We'll be back and give it a taste test. Alright, everybody, we got it plated up. We got some good beans here. Got a little white rice. Added some of the juice and sauce left over in the Instant Pot onto it. But man, that's pretty much just fall apart. Definitely cooked all the way through good. Let's give this a quick taste test. Ooh, it's probably still hot. Oh no, it's cooled down good. Oh my Lord. That is super good, folks. All you saw was a couple ingredients. Quick and easy. 19 minutes on pressure cook. 15-minute self-release. These things are falling apart, and we're going to be full after we get done eating these tonight. If you can, go down and click the subscribe button. It helps the channel. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Either way, we'll see you guys next time.